I'm Bryan DeLuca, and I am here with Helenann Brown and Alex Castro at the Apex booth at APEC. Let's see what you guys have to show us today.
Hi everyone, so I'm Helenann with Apex, and Apex is a company based in Tucson, Arizona. We provide and we design and manufacture high power linear and switching amplifiers. And at APEC this year, APEC and Apex, it's a really difficult combo. We're showing our new line of precision ICs. So Alex is going to demonstrate what we have today and showing our ICs.
Thank you, Helen. Our line of sensor ICs we're exhibiting here in our demonstration today. We have a photosensor IC coupled with a high voltage logic interface IC. When our photosensor IC is activated, it gives a high signal out that is then changed to a low logic level signal.
Okay.
All right, and then our LEDs draw your attention along the board to our inductive sensor, which is then activated by a piece of metal, ferrous metal, which then finally travels you to give a nice little message on our screen. So again, we're trying to exhibit applications for our products, and even the fine steering mirror is an application that we support.
Okay.
In this case, we don't have a product shown, but we have a large portfolio that can drive these kinds of applications.
So what do engineers need to know the most about implementing the optical beam sensor?
I think it's important to understand the settings where they're useful. A lot of industrial, factory settings. Of course, these can go in any sort of smart application. What I mean by that, right? Photosensing, inductive sensing, they go into a lot of new smart cities, smart home type applications, if you will, where you might have safety features where you have a door.
I gotcha.
Basically smart homes, right? So they can tell you the condition of everything in your house.
Is that the like factory, smart factory, smart homes? Is that the main?
Exactly.
Okay.
I would also say too, like when I introduced Apex and talked about high power op amps, a lot of people know us for our high power linear op amps, but it also shows that we have more to our product portfolio. So somebody who's using just an analog op amp may want to take a look at our precision IC portfolio of mixed signal and analog ICs as well.
Awesome. Well, thank you for sharing your demo with me today.